Sub-Zero under-counter fridge with the issue it's not working at all. Here's the thermostatic control, and the problem is was receiving power but not sending it to the compressor to cool down the fridge. Additionally, here's the light bulb that was broken, possibly all the time, but this part will be replaced a little later. So let's start the fridge. The new thermostatic control already installed, and it's going to be a first attempt. Alright, fridge started working. Just a minute after fridge started working, we can verify that cooling goes through the coils and the compressor is working.